Ni hao. Ni hao means hello in Chinese. My name is Sui Huang, and I'm your instructor, and welcome to the Udemy class, Easy Tai Chi class. In this class, you're gonna learn some Tai Chi movements. Tai Chi, in English, they call Tai Chi T-A-I-C-H-I, but in Chinese, we say Tai Chi. Tai Chi, T-A-I-J-I, Tai Chi. Or say Tai Chi Quan. Quan means fist. That's the form of Tai Chi, Tai Chi Quan. I will use the both term Tai Chi or Tai Chi or Tai Chi and through the course. In this course, you learn 16 movements in this form, and you also can learn some basic Tai Chi rules, basic movements, and you'll be able to improve your balance, and you will learn the good body posture. Because Tai Chi is a slow form and is a gentle form that would let you easy to learn. So welcome to the class, and at the next chapter, I would let you see the form of the Easy Tai Chi, the whole form, that you can see what is it about and what I'm going to teach and what you are going to learn. So let's move on. Thank you.